The checkout process is a mandatory section in Cartify, designed to facilitate the addition of products to a cart for shopping using AI computer vision algorithms. This tutorial will guide you through a demonstration of the shopping process, illustrating how to scan products as an operator to complete the checkout. As you can see, the checkout section consists of two main parts: Add New Checkout and View Checkout Info. In the View Checkout Info section, all checkouts for the day are displayed for operators. For users with an admin role, this section also provides access to the archive of past checkouts. Before delving deeper into this section, let's add a new checkout to have more data for the demonstration. As you can see, the new checkout includes both items, which represent individual product entries, and produce, which represent quantified products added to the cart in specified weights. First, let's add a quantified product. Suppose a customer wants to search for a product sold by weight. As you can see, each product has its own discount based on the branch. After selecting the product, you can specify the gross weight and the tare weight. Now, by hitting the print button, the code will be scannable. One of the great features of this section is the ability to read text using a camera instead of traditional barcode scanner devices. This functionality allows us to explore and expand various ideas using the new technologies available in the AI industry. Now let's scan products. By switching to the AI OCR mode, the system can read the text from the printed section. As you can see, by placing the printed section within the frame, the algorithm can easily read it without requiring any external devices. Furthermore, all scanned and quantified products can be managed in the cart section. Perfect. Let's purchase the checkout. As shown, the checkout now appears successfully in the View Checkout Info section. Cartify offers two types of refunds: refunding an entire purchase or issuing a partial refund for a specified amount. Let's add a new checkout to demonstrate this process. Products can also be searched for manually instead of scanning. To observe the change in stock, let's select a quantity of 7, given that the current stock in the warehouse is 247. After purchasing, the stock should be reduced to 240. Perfect. Now, let's process a partial refund. As you can see, 2 items are to be refunded. Therefore, the quantity of items in the warehouse should be adjusted to 242. Let's verify this. Perfect. Now, let's scan some products using Cartify's computer vision algorithms. If you need to see scanning more products, see the demo in the grocery section. Perfect. The system successfully detects the products. If some products are extremely similar to each other, it displays a modal showing both options, allowing operators to make a selection.